Okay, so for the apply it, you had your helicopter. Its altitude changed by negative, by negative 42.9 meters. Then it changed by another negative 15.4 meters. The question is, what was the total change in altitude? So we have a negative and another negative. So on a number line, I'm less than 0. I keep going less than 0. So the first thing you should be telling yourself is my answer is going to be negative. Now, what do I do with these numbers? Because I don't want to draw 42 zero pairs. This was 15.4. I don't even want to draw 15 zero pairs. So in my head, I know all of my integer chips would be red. They would all be negative. So how would I figure that out? I would add them up. So that's what you're going to do. Forget about the signs. Because the signs are the same, they're both negative, that means I need to add the numbers together. Okay? Do not worry about the signs yet. That's 13. That's 8. That's 5. Okay? Now, my answer had better be negative. So that's it. Since the signs are the same, I add and I keep the sign. Okay? So the change in altitude is negative 58.3 meters. All right, so on the next page, question 2, it's a regular old, it's got mixed numbers, right? So you need to figure out what's your common denominator. Should you be adding those or subtracting them? But you can also turn them into a decimal if you want, if that's easier for you. So you're going to do number 2 and number 3, and then you'll come back to see if you got them right. And if you didn't, you'll be able to hear the explanation of how to do it.